To change keyboard theme in the Samsung A27 5G, you can only do this by using other keyboards, because in the Samsung keyboard that you can find as default on this smartphone, it's not possible. So you have to go for the search and you have to download official Google keyboard. So this is the same keyboard that are available for every smartphone. It's only not available on the Samsung. Samsung forced their own keyboard to be as default. Now, when downloaded, you will have to open the settings, scroll all the way down for general management. Now go to the keyboard, click on this switcher to turn on the keyboard, click here and select Gboard. You have to set Google keyboard as default. Now go back. And what you have to do right now, just open the Gboard settings, go for the theme, and here we are. As you can see, you can download all of those default themes. Like for example, if I want to get this one, I'm clicking, waiting, and now as you can see, I can just apply quickly. Simple colors, but also we can even set a photo from your gallery. So, oh, there's a lot of photos actually. If I want to get Cristiano Ronaldo, I can do this for sure. I can just pick up, the part of the photo, click next, adjust the brightness, click done, and there it is. Thank you so much for watching.